Maswede job very well.
Excellency, I seek a repeated and voted allegiance.
Oath of allegiance. Do solemnly swear to affirm that I will faithfully bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Commissioner of the United States, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the state of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will protect and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the fifth schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic for all review, any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall be known to me as Commissioner of the University, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as Commissioner.
Anybody who has any opportunity to serve the state should count it as a honor. We've gone past the stage where things happen on its own, as it is, or as it were today. Everything that happens by the destination and design of God Almighty. I'm not saying before it doesn't happen that way, but looking at the circumstance surrounding us today, so you see God in action. So it's God that gave you this opportunity today, and I want you to know that you owe God that responsibility to deliver to your people. I'm not giving you any charge. You've already read the charge here. The oath you took is a charge. I'm not asking you to be obedient to me. I'm not asking you to do my bidding. But I request from every one of you here to defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and defend the sovereignty, not just Nigeria alone, dignity of our dear state. So your position as a commissioner today is not just for you to answer me, sir or ma, is to work for the interests of our state. You said it here, you read it, so I don't have any charge to give to you. You've already taken the charge. The charge is the oath. But I know that with what I've heard, with a few of you that I'm related with, I know that you're men of integrity. You're not going to bring shame to our dear states. You're not going to bring shame to your families. You're not going to bring shame to your local government. You will stand tall no matter the situation. This government is a government that is battered by high-level discipline. I don't know about other people that are working with me, but as a person, from the time I started working as a civil servant, from the time I worked in the office of Accountant General with my boss that is here, there is something we don't play with. Record. I can boldly stand here to say that whatever that transpired right from the time we worked from 2007 to date, the records are there for anybody to go and see. Likewise, what has happened from the time of the immediate past administration, the records are there. So I want you to understand that while I am sitting here to pilot the affair of this state, as a matter of fact, the record is even more excellent because I have a day-to-day report of what I'm doing. So I'm not bothered. Call me any day, call me anytime. I will stand and defend every action, every decision that we have taken. So I want you to stand on that premise, knowing fully well that whatever you're doing, in case you're called upon tomorrow to give account, keep your record straight. I know what I'm saying. Some of them who left here as commissioners, there's no record in their ministries. We've had a few meetings with people. We're looking for records. But that is for them and their God. I'm not bothered about that. But you that are coming in now, please, do this work as seasoned administrators. Work with your permanent secretaries. The ones you don't know, ask them, they will tell you, they will teach you. It doesn't reduce you as not being the head, but it helps you to succeed as a good administrator. So let me thank you. Believing strongly that your coming on board is going to add more color and bigger feather to our administration. I wish you all the best. I wish your family a joyful evening while you go and to share your Coke and Fantas this night. It's a night of very memorable night because we might be 1 million, 2 million, 4 million, 7 million in the state. But at every particular time, a few of us are chosen. So you count yourself lucky when you find yourself in that kind of position. So I wish you all well. Live by what you have just declared here. Defend the interests of our states. Stand tall for what is right. May God bless you all. Thank you.